Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This channel is definitely not a medical health channel, anything medical, anything health. This is not the home for it. However, if there is anything that I did that helped me in any form, in any way, I am definitely going to share it on this channel. And that is why you are seeing this video here and now. Do not take this advice as medical advice. I am not a professional, but I am going to tell you exactly how I got rid of my migraines without using any processed medicines, in fact, any medicines at all. I had migraines for years and I did not even know it, guys. My earliest memories of ever having a migraine, I was in my second year of high school, and I remember going to the assembly line, waiting on the announcements, and all of a sudden I started seeing blurry lines here, blurry images over there. At first I thought, what is going on? I tried wiping my eyes and nothing happened. I kept seeing, if I close my eyes, I would see them. If I open my eyes, I still see them. Like, what on earth is going on? And with it came this very awful feeling that I can't even explain. I remember that day I wiped my face with water and it went away. When I started college, it came back. It came back and happened more often than before. I tried managing it and going through school with it. However, when I graduated and I started working, it happened almost every single day. Like, I would have to just get up and go home because I can't work. I can't see the screen. I can't see what I'm working on. And thankfully, my manager is a very understanding person, so she would let me go. And I just started, like, it was bad. It was horrible, guys. I ended up going to see my eye doctor and I explained what was going on. I thought it was an issue with my eye. After explaining, he looked through my eyes, examined my eyes and said that my vision is perfect. So then what is the issue? And he said that the symptoms I explained were the symptoms of migraine. And I'll have to go talk to another doctor who specializes in that. I was like, oh my God, I can't. And then of course take the medicines, the required medicines. I can't. I don't like seeing doctors and I don't like medicines. Processed medicines are not my thing. I don't like them. So I got back home that day and started researching, checking online to see if I could find any natural remedies for migraines. And I came across a couple of tips that I mixed together that, I combined them in a way that thankfully, all thanks to God, helped me. And since that day, and I'm talking of months ago, it's almost a year now, I haven't had even a single reoccurrence, a single reoccurrence of those migraines. So the things that I did to get rid of my migraines were: number one, I made sure that I wore my sunglasses anytime I am outside of the house. If I'm driving, if I'm outside and it's bright and sunny, I wore my glasses. Just because I know that for me, bright light triggers my migraines. So that is a way to make sure that I don't get it to, I don't trigger it. Secondly, I work in an environment where I have to use like 3 or 4 computer screens, and you know that the emissions from those screens are not good for your eyes actually. So I got some lenses online. I don't remember exactly where I found them, but if I find the link, I'll put it in the description box below. So I wear my sunglasses, I wear my work glasses. I don't have any eye issues. It's just to prevent the emissions from the computer screen from getting into my eyes. And finally, during my research, someone mentioned that they noticed that their migraines are actually always triggered whenever they take citrus fruits. And me, being the healthy person, always trying to eat good food, eat fruits and vegetables, I eat oranges a lot. I love oranges. I consume them like there is no tomorrow. So I was like, wait, this is it. This is the culprit. This is the culprit. So I completely cut off oranges from my diet. I don't take any kind of citrus fruit, not oranges, not limes, not lemons. I don't want to experiment to find out which one of those triggers my migraines. I am not taking any of them. So I cut out that from my diet and I made sure that I do not expose my eyes to bright lights. And since then, guys, since then, it's been almost a year. I haven't even had a single reoccurrence of migraines, and I'm so thankful for that. So I am hoping that you guys out there would figure out what triggers yours. Maybe bright lights. I think bright lights are pretty common trigger. You don't have to go through the route of medication because it makes you dependent on them, and whenever you don't take them, you're very likely to have those migraine attacks. So hopefully this video helps you. This is what helped me, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.